Hello everyone. I don't want to lie to you. This is my favorite feature from YouTube this year. So now YouTube allow all creator to remove a copyrighted song on their videos. Okay. I was recently somewhere and I was recording a video. I didn't upload none of those songs, but unfortunately, my video, someone's playing music around there. So my video was flagged as a copyrighted content. So now this new feature will allow me to remove only the song. It won't affect my audio. It won't affect nothing on my video, but it's gonna remove only the music. Okay. And before you can replace it, trim it, dispute it. But now you can erase the song. You can remove the song itself. Okay. I'm gonna show you here. Okay. There's a music playing in the background. So I'm going to remove completely that music. Okay. So I'm going to come here, select action. I'm going to click erase song. Very simple. Click continue. Okay. We got here erase song, remove the claim. Okay. It will delete all the segment, or you can meet all the song claim in this segment. I just want to erase it completely. I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to click save. Okay. Erase song, I'm going to say yes. Now we're going to wait. This might take some time. As you can see here, they say I cannot monetize this video. We're going to give it some time and then we check in few minutes. As you can see here, you see video editing is in progress. So we're going to wait. So as you can see here, it's done. It have completely removed the song. Okay. And I can monetize it if I want to. You see, monetization is off, but there's no copyright content was found in your video. Thank you, YouTube. This is a lovely new feature. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.